Cherish, Uncovered. A deep dive into a heartfelt word. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful and meaningful word in the English language, cherish. This word is loaded with emotion and importance, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its nuances and be able to use it with confidence. Cherish is a verb, and at its core, it means to hold something or someone dear, to feel and show affection for, or to keep an idea or desire in one's mind deeply and resolutely. It's a word that carries a strong emotional weight and is often used in contexts where there's a profound sense of attachment, appreciation, or love. For example, parents often cherish the moments when their child takes their first step or says their first word. A student might cherish a book that opened their mind to new ideas. Understanding synonyms, or words with similar meanings, can help solidify the meaning of a word. Some common synonyms for cherish are adore, treasure, value, hold dear, appreciate. While all these words are similar, each has its nuances. For instance, treasure often implies something very valuable, maybe even rare, while appreciate is more general in its feeling of gratitude or value. To truly grasp a word, it's beneficial to see it in action. Here are some example sentences. 1. She cherished the handwritten letter from her grandmother. 2. We should cherish the time we have with our loved ones. 3. He cherished the memory of his first trip abroad. From these examples, it's evident that the word can be used in different contexts, but it always implies a deep sense of value or affection. In the vast world of the English language, cherish stands out as a word that conveys deep emotion and attachment. Whether you're talking about a person, a memory, or even an object, when you use the word cherish, you're expressing a profound sense of value and care. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this beautiful word. Remember to cherish every learning opportunity, and we'll see you in the next video.